Role, assistant, reasoning _ content. We need a short true crime script 60 to 90 seconds, 150 to 200 words. Start with shocking hook in first 3 seconds. Use markers ... End with a question that forces viewers to comment. Sentences short and punchy for TTS. Only real well-known cases. So choose a well-known disappearance like Madeleine McCann or the death of JonBenét Ramsey. But the prompt, chilling disappearance, the event that shocked the world, maybe that's referencing the Alaska serial killer or the 1966 Tiber Accord. But we need real well-known case. Let's pick Madeleine McCann disappearance. But that might be sensitive. Could use the vanishing of Jimmy Hoffa, the disappearance of Amelia Earhart. Those are known. The prompt says chilling disappearance, the event that shocked the world. Could be referencing the disappearance of R. Kelly's convict. And we can create a script around the vanishing of Jimmy Hoffa, disappearance 1975, unsolved. Or the disappearance of Amelia Earhart, 1937. Both are real and chilling. Let's pick Amelia Earhart as world seared. And we need 150 words. Let's craft NN. 5 seconds in the sky and then nothing. Must be in first 10 seconds. E.g., 360 feet above the Pacific, she vanished. No trace. 150 words. Use TTS friendly, short sentences. And note. Let's write N word count estimate 170. And we end with a question that forces viewers to comment, like what do you think happened to her? Let us know. And let's begin. And let's aim for about 180 words. And count. We'll write then count. And let's write NN. 2 minutes, 15 minutes, when a pilot vanished into the void. The world watched in disbelief. NN. And Amelia Earhart went solo from Lae in 1937, heading to California. She built a barnstorming legend, breaking records. Her float plane disappeared over the Pacific. The last emergency beacon crackled, Morse code. I'm running out. Then silence. No wreckage. Only scattered debris far offshore. The FBI asked the Navy, the Coast Guard, the Army. None could locate the remains. Does she glide into a storm? Did the plane hit a mountain on open ocean? Theories sprout. Japanese capture, crashed, grounded on an island. International mystery spans decades. Her disappearance rippled through pop culture, inspiring books, movies, documentaries. Investigations have stalled, but the story lives on. And still no closure. Her place in history is defined by that missing moment. The question remains, where did Earhart go? If you think a hidden wreck is waiting, share your theory. What do you think happened? Leave a comment below. And now count words. We'll count carefully. N 1 N2 2 minutes 3 15 4 minutes 5 minutes 6 when 7 8 pilot 9 vanished 10 into 11 the 12 void 13 the 14 world 15 watched 16 in 17 disbelief 18 so 18 words. An end line. Amelia 1 Earhart 2 went 3 solo 4 from 5 Lae 6 in 7 1937 8 heading 9 to 10 California 11 she 12 built 13 a 14 barnstorming 15 legend 16 breaking 17 records 18 her 19 Float plane, 20, disappeared, 21, over, 22, the, 23, Pacific. 24, the, 25, last, 26, emergency, 27, beacon, 28, crackled, 29, Morse, 30, code. 31, I'm, 32, running, 33, out. 34, then, 35, silence. 36, no, 37, wreckage. 38, only. 39, scattered. 40, debris. 41, far. 42, offshore. 43, the. 44, FBI. 45, asked. 46, the. 47, Navy. 48, the. 49, coast. 50, guard. 51, the. 52, army. 53, none. 54, could. 55, locate. 56, the. 57, remains. 58, does. 59, she. 60, glide. 61, into. 62, a. 63, storm. 64, did. 65, the. 66, plane. 67, hit. 68, a. 69, mountain. 70, on. 71, open. 72, ocean. 73, theories. 74, sprout. 75, Japanese. 76, capture. 77, crashed. 78, grounded. 79, on. 80, and 81, island. 82, international. 83, mystery. 84, spans. 85, decades. 86, her. 87, disappearance. 88, rippled. 89, through. 90, pop. 91, culture. 92, inspiring. 93, books. 94, movies. 95, documentaries. 96, investigations. 97, have. 98, stalled. 99, but. 100. The 101, story. 102, lives. 103, on. 104, NN so 104 words. NN dot. Still. 1, no, do, closure. 3, her. 4, place. 5, in. 6, history. 7, is. 8, defined. 9, by. 10, that. 11, missing. 12, moment. 13, the. 14, question. 15, remains. 16, 17, where. 18, did. 19, your heart. 20, go. 21, if. 22, you. 23, think. 24, a. 25, hidden. 26, wreck. 27, is. 28, waiting. 29, share. 30, your. 31, theory. 32, what. 33, do. 34, you. 35, think. 36, happened. 37, leave. 38, a. 39, comment. 40, below. 41, NN 41 words. NN total words. 18 plus 104 plus 41 163 words. Good within 150 200. NN need to ensure TTS friendliness. Short sentences. Sentences are mostly short. Could add period after each. Already used .nn at question ending. We have .nnv included section markers. Good .nnv start with hook in first 10 seconds, 2 minutes, 15 minutes, minutes when a pilot vanished into the void. Might need to be shorter. The first 10 seconds. Initially anchor, 2 minutes, 15 minutes, minutes when a pilot vanished into the void. Might be more impactful, 2 minutes, 15 minutes, minutes, tool underscore calls.